Hello guys. Do you want to earn $5,000 per week? I'm going to teach you how we can earn $5,000 per week. It's a trading platform IQ option. How does it work? IQ option is a trading platform that caters mostly to investors who want to realize returns within short periods of time. Binary options have been around for quite some time. These options provide traders with payouts that come either in the form of a fixed amount or nothing at all. How much money can I start with IQ option? The minimum investment amount can be found on our trading platform/website, subject to current trading conditions. The maximum amount you can invest is $20,000. The minimum is $10. Can we make a lot of money on IQ option? Yes, but generally, medium and long-term options pay more than short-term options. The big edge with IQ option is that payout can reach up to 90% on successful trades with no commissions or fees charged by the broker when opening or closing trades.